Getting started with Google Sheets. You're working on a Sheets file and want to complete it with new data. You've just received a report with Thursday's count. Insert 28 in cell B4. In cell B6, insert the sum total of students from cells B2 to B5. Oops, Tuesday's count was left out. Insert a row where it fits in the sheet. Insert Tuesday in cell A3. And 37 in cell B3. Apply a top order to cells A7 and B7. Make the border slightly thicker. Finally, show the sum, average, mean and max values of the student data with just a single click.